Okay, people, I got a traded with Jim, so he doesn't live that far away from me, and so this was actually sleeping in, it's Christmas time and not working this week, so I slept until noon almost. And anyway, we're gonna check out what we got here. We got cool animated jazz, sweet. I still got paint on my fingers from work. I worked yesterday, but not rest. Sorry. Just paint doesn't come off that good. And then, oh, nice. What? Wait a minute. Okay, that's awesome. But what the heck? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my lord, man. Check that out, dude. Wow, I was not expecting that. That is cool. Holy cow. Dude, I did not know. Wow. G1. What's up, Mama? Got my box. Holy crap. Well, that's cool, Jim. I didn't know you were doing that. G1 Inferno. Huh. That's awesome, dude. And you got movie jazz. Cool. Now I got two jazzes. And animated, oh god, I can't remember this dinosaur's name. You guys help me out here. The animated dinosaur. Cool. Thank you, sir. We got animated, a couple animated figures, and then movie jazz. And then, holy crap. I was not expecting that at all. That is cool. That is way cool. G1 Inferno. That's crazy. Thank you, sir. That's awesome, dude. That's way awesome. I was not expecting that. Okay. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. That's cool, too. I'm excited about these jazzes. They look cool, man. I like this. Who is this? Was this Lockdown or? I can't remember. It looks awesome, but this was a big surprise right here. Thank you, sir. Very cool. Missing a little wheel right there, but that's all right. This G1, man. It's old. What do you expect? It's still cool. That's a cool little figure right there. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thanks, Jim. See you.